Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, we are going to do a taste test on the new Hawaii Kona. I haven't tried it. I've only tried original line, but the Vertuo line I haven't tried. I remember the first time it came out, it was a single espresso. It's now a double espresso. And I was going to try it like without doing a taste test. But then a lot of you guys were asking me to do one. So I have the box open, but all of 10 capsules are in here. But let's talk a little bit about the capsule itself. The main thing that everyone is talking about is the price, and it is quite pricey. I think it's a total of $24, if I'm correct. Let me check again, 1 second. Yeah, it's $24 a sleeve. From what I read, it seems it's difficult to harvest Hawaiian coffee, especially Kona. One of you guys told me that if it's 100% Kona, it's going to be the most expensive, and that person said that this capsule is 100% Kona. So that's all I know. I do know that it is quite pricey, so I want to taste test it for you guys and kind of see if it's worth the money. Honestly, the original line that I've tried already, it is so good. It's smooth, it's nutty, it's like almost kind of like a cereal roasted coffee, all the things that I like in a capsule. So let me just read to you what it says as far as like the description on the website. It's a level intensity 6, and it's a fruity, dark caramel aromatic profile with sweet almond and walnut aromatic notes. It sounds really, really good. And you know what's funny is that Nespresso finds this coffee capsule similar to La Cumplida Refinada, which is also a limited edition, not as expensive, but I do like La Cumplida Refinada. So yeah, overall it's a fruity bouquet, subtle nutty notes, silky texture, and I do believe it is a silky texture from like trying it in the original line. It is super smooth, such a good capsule from original lines. So I hope it's the same. So it doesn't say much. I mean, it does if you want to go and read like the whole paragraph that they have, but as far as like the notes and the taste, fruity, nutty, smooth, exotic coffee. So this is the box right here. A very, very pretty blue color with some like aluminum shiny stuff. The capsule though, it is so pretty. I think this is even prettier than the original line just because it's in a dome shape, but I think it's the same pattern. We're gonna brew this one, try it black, a little bit of milk later on, and then at the end I'll try it with the syrup. And I'm gonna try it iced just because I know a lot of you guys wanna see how it tastes iced. The last capsule that I tried, what was it? What did I try last time? Oh, Miami. Guys, if you have original line and haven't tried Miami, you need to try it because that one iced is glorious. So hopefully this one is good as well iced, but let's pop it in the machine. Alright, here it is. Look at that crema. Let me smell it. That's interesting. I could smell both fruity and nutty. The fruitiness comes first, and then the nuttiness I feel like lingers at the end. Yummy. All right, let's taste it black. I'm gonna take my spoon and mix the crema into the coffee. Just kind of give it a little mix. Let's taste this. It's a very cereal noted coffee. You know what I just realized? I feel like I wore this sweater in my last video too. So if I did, I apologize, but that video has been, I think, almost 2 weeks ago. Anyways, it tastes really cereal. I don't taste the fruitiness. The nuttiness comes at the end. It does have that nutty flavor. Let me try it again. It is a little bit bitter towards the end, but that's just... that comes, my palate's just not well-rounded when it comes to black coffee, and I feel like that's just me. That's why I feel like I'm not the best to describe black coffee without milk, but it's drinkable with a little bit of a tiny bit. But I'm eager to add milk to it. I'm sure the milk is gonna soften all those flavors and kind of just bring everything together. So let's try it with a little bit of milk. I'm always dropping stuff. Okay, I'm gonna use Chobani Oat, 0 sugar. I finally found it. I've been buying the extra creamy, which is nice, but I just don't like that it has, I think, almost 9 grams of added sugar. And this one froths better and I just like it better. So we're gonna do like a half a cup of oat milk to the 2 shots of espresso. Okay, while that froths, I'm gonna pour my espresso into this mug, and then we'll pour the milk over it and then give it a try. It looks like I did some latte art. I can't even show you. I can't show you. But it looks like I did some latte art without even trying. All right, let's try this with milk. With milk, this tastes exactly like the original line. Really delicious. Very nutty. And I've tried this capsule in original line with whole milk and with oat milk, and I feel like it's nutty regardless. I don't ever feel like my oat milk adds any nutty flavor. So I don't think it's the milk. I think it's the actual capsule that's extremely nutty with the milk. So if you like nutty flavors, I think you would really enjoy this. And it's nutty by itself, and even though that the milk is 0 sugar, I almost don't feel like I totally need a syrup. Syrups always make coffee better, but this is pretty good. It's odd that they compare it to La Cumplida, because that one I can taste the fruitiness. With chocolate, it's so good. This one, I wouldn't say it's similar at all. But let's try a syrup that I've been really enjoying. I think it'll work really well. It's this one from Monin. They actually sent it to me, so thank you, Monin, for sending this over. It's their French hazelnut syrup, and it's so delicious. I've tried their hazelnut and I don't like it. Like their regular hazelnut, I don't like it. I just feel like it lacks flavor. But this one, the French version of their hazelnut, full of flavor, and it's super smooth. The Frenchness just adds something, and it just makes it better. So I'm gonna try this cup with 1 tablespoon. If you count to 4 when pouring, 4 seconds is about 1 tablespoon. I've already measured it, and it's always spot on. Let me mix it. I feel like I'm all over the place. All right, let's try it. Guys, this is so good, and I almost just want to add ice to this one. I think I'm just gonna add ice to this whole thing, not only because it's expensive, but if I were to have it iced, I would definitely just try it with this one. And French vanilla tastes really good with original line Kona, so it's gonna be really good. Either French vanilla, French hazelnut, even salted caramel I've tried with original line with this pod, and it's so good. Let me add ice, hold on. Added ice to this cup right here, and I'm just gonna pour this concoction. Wish me luck. Ugh. Oh my god, that's a perfect pour. Maybe this cup is too big, but that's okay. The pot is blue. We'll do more of a blue straw. Give it a little mix. Okay, let's try it. It's like very nutty, guys. If you guys like nutty, I prefer, I mean, they're different lines, but I still prefer Miami Iced over this one. I feel like this one is just a little lighter. So if you like a lighter feeling roast, because I think it's like a medium in the Nespresso world, but it almost tastes like I'm drinking maybe a 4 or 5 when you add ice. But it's not bad. It's not bad. Miami is definitely more potent, more richer, and this one I feel like it's just almost like, I've had dolce iced a few times and I do enjoy it, but if you really like a very rich iced latte, this one might not be for you, but it's not bad. But it's definitely nutty. The flavor is still there. It's just that the caffeine flavor is not as potent. That's the only thing I'm gonna say. So overall, I think this capsule is great hot. It's very nutty with milk, which is how I drink all of my coffees, with milk. With a syrup, French hazelnut is awesome. It like really amps up that nutty flavor. If the fact that you want something really good for iced coffee, then maybe this might be your deal breaker because it becomes a lot lighter with the ice. It's not a capsule that I would definitely rush to buy again next year. Like I'm glad I have it, but I'm not gonna repurchase it again. So I guess it's not worth it, right? I don't know. Like I don't want to say it's not worth it because I don't hate it. Like there's pods that I just really dislike and I would say stay away from. But this one's just middle ground, okay. It kind of sounds like you can live without it, okay? So if I'm really telling you guys how it is, I think you can live without it. But yeah, hopefully that helps you guys out. It is very, very nutty. So if you like a nutty coffee, go ahead and get it. If you like hot coffee, go ahead and get it. If you like iced coffee, maybe it's not the best for you, especially because of the price range. It's not the best for iced coffee. I feel like it does lose its strength a little bit, just kind of like dolce. If you like dolce ice for any reason, then you're gonna like this one too, because I feel like they're kind of there. But yeah, those are all my thoughts on this capsule. I'm glad I tried it. I don't see myself repurchasing it after I finish, but I'm glad I tried it. Let me know in the comment section if you are gonna try it or what you think. Is it still too expensive based on my thoughts and my back and forth with the iced coffee? Let me know. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.